Do you understand English but feel scared to speak? You know the words but they don't come out. You are not alone. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you how to speak English confidently, even if your grammar is not perfect. The real problem is, most people think I need perfect grammar to speak English. That's the biggest mistake. Confidence doesn't come from perfect grammar, right? It comes from practice with mindset. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they still speak confidently. First rule, we should stop translating. If you will think in your native language and then translate into English, you will always be slow and nervous. Instead, start thinking in simple English, not big sentences. Start small. For example, I am hungry. I need water. I am going outside. Train your brain to think directly in English. Rule number 2, use simple sentences. You don't need difficult words to sound fluent. Wrong mindset. I must speak advanced English. But the right mindset is, I must speak clearly. Instead of saying, I would like to express my dissatisfaction, say, I am not happy with this. Simple but powerful. Rule 3. Speak daily. Confidence comes from speaking, not from watching videos. Speak daily, even if it's for 5 minutes also. Talk to yourself. In the mirror, your phone, you can record your voice or talk to a friend. Please don't wait to be perfect. Start now. Let's do a quick practice. Here is a simple exercise. Pick any object near you and describe it in English. For example, this is my phone. It is black. I use it daily. Do this practice daily and your speaking will improve automatically. Remember, you don't need perfect English to start speaking. You just need the courage to start. Follow Grammstar for such English tips and comment below. What stops you from speaking English?